Hello again, good friends. Welcome, new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. To help answer your questions just a little bit better, I'm going to introduce a new series to the channel, and I will probably insert videos for that series into the schedule about every 2 weeks or so. And it's going to be the Frequently Asked Questions series, where I take the most popular question that's sent to me in a 2-week period, and I will answer it in video form. I will give you as many details as possible to answer your question. We're going to start that off today. And the most popular question lately has been, I have a detailing business. I want to expand my services. I want to start offering ceramic coatings. Do I need a full correction before applying the coating? I will answer that today. I have a test panel ready out in the shop. Let's head out there and I'll show you exactly what is needed for a ceramic coating, and I will answer your questions. Let's get to it. I will be demonstrating with the prosumer version of the ceramic coatings here. These are less concentrated than the coatings that a certified detailer can apply. I also recommend these for you guys to start out with if you're just starting out application of a ceramic coating, because anybody can order these online. These are less concentrated, so they are user-friendly. You can usually apply to a panel or a panel and a half before they start to get tacky, and you really need to then start to remove the transfer solution. This is G-Technique, Crystal Serum Light, and also C-Quartz. This is just the standard version, not the UK 3.0. Slight differences. I picked out a little test area on the test panel here, and half of it I corrected, the other half I left be. Swirls, scratches, all types of imperfections. I'm going to apply the coatings on both of those areas and you will see a huge difference. Yes, you absolutely need to do a correction before laying down a ceramic coating. Any imperfection left before applying the coating will be locked in. You are then stuck with it unless you remove the coating and then do your correction from there. Coatings also do a great job enhancing the gorgeous color underneath, but they also then will bring out imperfections as well. Now, to prepare for a coating, as I show you here, after the correction, I'll use an IP solution, clean off any residue from the correction compounds. Then I'll use a cleaner polish, either Angel Wax Perfect Polish or Polish Angel Escalate Lotion. Both are cleaner polishes that will clean the panel and also contain very fine abrasives and flatten the surface even further before the coating. I will follow that up with an IP solution once again to get the residue off from the cleaner polish, and we are good to go. The section on the right has been corrected. The section on the left has been left just as the panel was given to me. Besides the coating kits themselves, all you need is a mask to protect your respiratory system, pair of gloves, and 2 microfiber rags. Mark one with a magic marker. I will show you in a bit why. Alright, now grab your eyedropper, or some of the bottles will come with a tip that you can just tilt over the bottle and put some drops on your application pad. I myself, I like the eyedropper so I can put one stripe of the product from the top of the microsuede applicator to the bottom. Then we put the applicator onto the panel and start sliding up and down. Don't lift the applicator off, just slide it over, go back up, slide it over, come back down like I am here. And nice even pressure. You don't have to squeeze down with 100 pounds per square inch. Now we're going to go left to right, slide it down, left, slide it down, right. This ensures nice even coverage on the panel. So you have the hang of that. Let me grab the camera, bring you in close. You get an idea of what the coating looks like as it's first being applied. It's thin, it's oily-like, not much really to see at this point. As the solution, the transfer solution, starts to separate from the coating, as the coating starts to bond to the surface, you'll see just in about a minute or so, 1 to 5 minutes will be the average time you'll let this sit before you start to remove it. And that's for the prosumer version. Okay, so you guys get a good look at the crystal serum light as it's the first few seconds as it's applied to the panel. Now I'm going to show you the perfect time to remove the transfer solution. Transfer solution gets the coating from the bottle onto the panel, and as the coating starts to bond, we need to get the transfer solution off of there, so we'll grab the first microfiber rag. I have that one marked with a magic marker. That one will soak up most of the solution. Then I'll put that to the side because we're eventually just going to start pushing it around. So I grabbed the second one to mop up the rest of the little panel here perfectly. At this point, it is starting to get tacky, and that's normal, but I'm operating a camera at the same time here, so I can't do it the way I'd like to do it, but I just wanted to bring you guys in to give you a good close-up. We're going to switch over to the C-Quartz. Once again, this isn't the UK 3.0, this is the standard version. I like to use the eyedropper to put one stripe from the top of the micro suede applicator to the bottom, and we're going to apply the exact same way. First, bottom to the top, slide over, come back down, then we'll go left to right, crisscross pattern. This here is just a little bit clearer, a little bit harder to see than the G Technique. They both are incredible. 2 of 5 prosumer coatings I'll use when I have to. And great results with all of them. Prosumer version of the coating, 24-hour cure time. You could speed that up under an infrared light. Now let's answer that question. The right portion was corrected. The left was just left as the panel was given to me. All those scratches, imperfections are now locked under the coating. On the right looks incredible. So that answers the question. You do need a full correction before a coating. Okay guys, that'll do it for the first installment of the FAQ series. I will keep them short. I will keep them to the point. I value your time as much as I do mine. All you need to do is keep the questions flowing in either through email or down in the comments section, or you could text me, whatever you want to do. My contact information is very easy to find, and I am readily available for you guys. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.